Well, U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio is suggesting the U.S. government won't govern Venezuela other than enforcing an existing oil quarantine on the country.
That comes despite U.S. President Donald Trump again insisting the U.S. will be running Venezuela following its weekend ouster of President Nicolas Maduro. Rubio's statements appear to be designed to temper concerns about whether the American action to achieve a regime change in the oil-rich nation might lead to another prolonged foreign intervention. Interim Venezuelan leader Delcy Rodriguez invited Trump to collaborate and says she's seeking respectful relations.
Now, Maduro and his wife are set to appear in a New York courtroom today to face U.S. drug and weapons charges. They were flown to Manhattan by helicopter and put in the back of an armored vehicle, taking them to the courthouse this morning. These are pictures from earlier. Lawyers for the couple are expected to challenge their arrest by claiming sovereign immunity. That's a bedrock principle of international and U.S. law. But legal experts say that argument is unlikely to succeed because the courts in the U.S. likely won't recognize Maduro as Venezuela's legitimate leader.
And former Foreign Affairs Minister Peter MacKay joined us with reaction to Canada's response to Maduro's capture by the U.S.
Will Canada change its position? Not likely. I don't see them as leaning in on this situation. And I'm sure there is some trepidation on the part of the Carney administration, given that we continue to have a very volatile situation vis-a-vis the trade relations with the United States and what this means for our own economy.
It's an outrageous violation of Venezuela's sovereignty and the political project that's been unfolding in Venezuela for a number of years.
I am a Chilean. I saw the coup in Chile. I saw when they killed the president. So Maduro has to return to Venezuela. He is the president of Venezuela, and the Venezuelans want him back.
Now, as several countries condemn the ouster of Venezuela's president, protesters in Ottawa over the weekend calling for our federal government to support the right to self-determination for Venezuelan people. Dozens gathering outside the U.S. Embassy near Parliament Hill, chanting "Hands off Venezuela" and denouncing the actions of U.S. President Donald Trump.